Yeah, get your shit, bitches. Y'all don't want none. In the club, I see these niggas hating. Why the fuck you staring at me, shit? Are you skating? Now, in the fucking booth, drinking my brew. Chilling in this motherfucker, yeah, I'm with my crew. D-Mac 5'3", not 5'2". I'm about to get the 9, might point it at you. So don't hesitate, don't fucking talk shit. Get your records, bitch, yeah, you know we in this. Don't hate on us, because we leave you bleeding. You be on your knees crying and fucking pleading. God ain't gonna save you in this situation. I'll kill your ass at the crib, masturbation. I'm a psycho nigga, yeah, I fucking kill y'all. I ain't gotta be big, all fucking tall. I'm with my clique and we fucking reckless. Get your shit records, bitch, don't disrespect us.
Got the record button, you know it's the fucking time. Got the drinks out, you know we on the grind.
Yeah.
Just the same old day, but a different time.
Yeah.
It's just the same old thing, but a different mind. Say that I am in, sipping on that, what you mean? Sipping on that goddamn thing, smoking on that fucking green and killing out any scene. GYS the fucking best, he got it tatted. I'm about to get that shit on my leg, you know what the fuck they got in me. In my grave, you're still heroes stomping on the fucking beat. Get your shit records, better put that shit on God and repeat. Huh. Mark Henry's balls, that's a Kodak reference.
Yeah.
Bizzle, baby, I'm the coldest best one. D-Mac on the shit,
Yeah.
you know he ill. He 5'3",
Yeah.
and don't care to kill.
Not at all.
White was doing,
Yeah.
they fucking dang.
Dang.
I'm a redskin, a rebel man.
Yeah.
Native boy, stomping on the shit.
On the shit.
Beating beats up, drumming kit.
Yeah.
Got that bass drum with the snare hit. Got that hi-hat with the Glock pimp.